What if your Linux phone could never break from a bad update? What if, no matter what went wrong, your system just bounced back automatically? That's exactly what the postmarketOS team is promising with their brand new project, and they've given it one of the coolest names in open source history, Duranium. If you're new here, postmarketOS is an open source project that brings a full Linux experience to smartphones and tablets, real terminal access, real Linux apps, running on devices manufacturers abandoned long ago. It's impressive, but it's had some rough edges. Updates can break things, packages can conflict, and when your phone is broken, that's not just annoying, that's your actual phone. Now, before we get into Duranium, you need to understand what immutable means in the Linux world. An immutable Linux distribution stores the core operating system on a read-only partition. You simply can't mess with it. If an update goes wrong, the system automatically rolls back to the previous state. No partial updates, no broken boot screens, no panic. Distributions like Fedora, Silverblue, and NixOS have already proven this model works great on the desktop, and now postmarketOS is bringing that same idea to your pocket. Announced on March 17, 2026, Duranium is a new immutable variant of postmarketOS. The team described it perfectly. System updates are applied as complete, verified images rather than individual packages. Either the new image works or the device falls back automatically. No partially applied state, no debugging your audio when you need to make a phone call, and no fussing with a broken browser when you just want to scroll through cat photos. The team is also very clear that Duranium is not a fork or a separate distro, it's simply a different deployment model for the same postmarketOS project. There are some trade-offs worth knowing. Not every device will support Duranium, since it requires either UEFI or U-boot bootloaders. It also uses more storage than regular postmarketOS, because it keeps two 5 GB system partitions on the device at all times, one current, one previous. So older devices with tight storage may struggle. On the app side, since the system partition is read-only, the traditional APK package manager is out. Instead, Flatpak becomes the primary way to install apps, just like on most immutable desktop distros. Duranium also ships with something called coldbrew. Think of it like homebrew, but built on Alpine Linux packages and sandboxed in your home directory. And if you want even more flexibility, you can still set up Nix or homebrew yourself. What makes this genuinely fascinating is that it's a full circle moment. Android phones have used a dual A-B partition system for years, which actually inspired desktop Linux and Chrome OS to adopt the same structure. Now, a Linux phone OS is borrowing that idea back, but in a fully open source, community-driven form. Right now, Duranium images are available for the Fairphone 5, the Google Pixel 3a, Chromebooks, the Lenovo ThinkPad X13s, and the OnePlus 6, with more devices coming soon. If you want to try it, the postmarketOS wiki already has installation instructions. So, if you've been on the fence about running Linux on an old phone, now is a great time to jump in. Drop a comment below if your device made the list, and if you found this helpful, like and subscribe. See you in the next one.